Oh, JB, this is Bucified Bert. Hey, look, I just want to let you know about the Saints last week. They marched in. They was looking for a win. But I promise you, what I told you last week, we're going to take it to them. They did what we had to do to win the game. You know, Tom Brady hit them in the mouth and proved to them that the Buccaneers are the new king of the South. Now, I'm done with them. Let's move on to the 49ers. The 49ers don't have their quarterback this week, and we go into their house, and we're going to
Picking on
rearrange
poor
their
Jimmy
furniture
Garoppolo.
and win a game right there in 49 in California. I promise you, they got the quarterback named Mr. Irrelevant. Nobody had any footage on him, but we got footage on him this week, and my
Brock
defense
Purdy
going to take
watching
it to
this?
him. Get ready, boy. The Buccaneers going to win 2 in a row. Bye.
Man, Bucified Bert. And he's, I don't know if you heard that. He said, we're going to go in there and rearrange their furniture.
Yeah.
Man.
They're Levi's. They're Levi's.
Leave it to Bucified Bert to get you amped up for our Week 14 preview. The Buccaneers going into the Bay Area to take on not Jimmy G, not Trey Lance, but Mr. Irrelevant and the 8-4 San Francisco 49ers. It's the Tampa Bay Buccaneers now at 6-6, a 500 record with a 4:25 kickoff on Fox. The 49ers open, as of this broadcast, a 3.5-point favorite at home against Brady and the Buccaneers. We'll go over our key storylines here in a second. Karen, why don't we start with you? Just what's the big storyline ahead of this matchup when you're looking at it on paper?
So I know the quarterback seems to be the obvious thing with Jimmy Garoppolo going out, but I was looking at just some of their numbers from the 49ers, and their defense is very, very good. They lead the league in least amount of points allowed, least amount of rush yards, least amount of total yards. They're a very, very good team led by Nick Bosa, who leads the NFL with 14.5 sacks. And, that's just something that is going to be very, very challenging, especially since we've been talking so much about this Bucs offense, trying to figure out ways to score points. So that's going to be a tough challenge.